Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to create these cute and very beautiful quilled angel. Yes, this is handmade. These are so cute, and I have also added quilled nimbus. These are handmade wings. So I will show you each and every step in easy procedure. So without any delay, let's get started. For this we need peach color, white and golden 3mm quilling strips, black marker, scissor, quilling tool, liquid glue, some acetate sheet or OHP sheet, and blue and off-white color 5mm strips. First I am making the body of the angel. For this I am taking 5mm off-white color strip, and I have joined total 15 strips together to make this big tight coil. So continue this process till the end of strip. So this is done. Now just open this tight coil using your fingers and make a long cone shape. Do it very slowly and carefully, otherwise your coil will get opened. So the cone is ready. This is approximate 10 to 12 cm in height. I am adding glue inside this and spreading it using my brush. Let it dry aside. In the same way I have created one more tight coil by joining 6 strips. Here I am making hands. Just insert one pencil through this and make one cone shape. And open this slowly using your fingers. Now just bend this cone little bit like this. Add glue inside this also and spread this. In the same way I have created one more hand. Now I have created these two tight coils using yellow and peach color strips. Here I have joined 7 strips to make this, and here I have used 3mm strip. These coils I will be used in making the face. So I am just making dome shape using my quilling mold for both the tight coils. Add glue inside both the domes and spread it. Now I will connect both the domes with each other. So face is ready. Let it dry. Now all the parts are done, so I will connect all body parts with each other. Hold it for some time and let it completely dry. Now I am making palm. For this I am taking one strip of peach color. Here again I am using 3mm quilling strips and making one heart shape. like this. In the same way, I have created one more palm. Now I will connect the palm with angel's hand. Now I am adding some blue color strip around her edge of hands or sleeves. Now I have created some tiny roses to decorate her dress. So I will show you how to do this. For this I am taking light blue color 5 mm strip and making just one roll. Now just bend the strip backward and roll it again. Again bend it backward and roll it, and repeat this process till the desired size. Remove the tool and open the coil like this. Now cut the excess strip. So rose is ready. In the same way I have created some more roses. So I will decorate her dress. I have added one blue color strip on the bottom as well, like sleeves. So now I am decorating it using these tiny roses. So after adding all the roses, it will look like this. Now I am adding a small piece of blue color strip around her neck to create the neckline. Now I am creating hairs. For this I am taking 1/6 strip of golden color. Here again I am using 3 mm strip and making one open coil. Add little glue so that it will be stiff and will not get opened like this. In the same way I have created some more hairs. Now take back your doll and I will start adding hairs one by one on back side. Like this. Now I am taking 2 strips of yellow color 3 mm strips, and here I am taking my glue bottle cap and making one ring. I am making golden nimbus for our angel. Nimbus is ready. Now I'm taking 2 strips of acetate sheet or OHP sheet which measures approx 3 by 0.5 centimeter, and I'm connecting these OHP strips with the Nimbus. So I have already added double-sided tape on this. So I'm connecting these OHP strips. We need 2 strips to add on both sides like this. On the bottom also I have added double-sided tape. So remove the liner. If you don't have double-sided tape, you can also use normal liquid glue. Now before adding hairs, you just remember to add these Nimbus first, like this. Now I have added all the hairs with our cute angel. I have also added features, eyes, nose, lips. I will show you how to create ears. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of peach color. Here I am taking thin strip. For this I took my 3 mm strip and cut this from the center to create this thin strip. Just make a teardrop shape like this and connect the ear. For the eyes I have used hole punch and created some tiny dots using white gel pen. Now I am adding earring using white color half cut pearl. This is a small size half cut pearl. So this is done. I have extended her dress little bit by adding one more dome shape in the bottom and decorated this with some teardrop shaped pearls, but it's completely optional. You can keep her dress as it is. It's on you. Now I will show you how to create wings. For this I am taking one strip of white color and making loops in increasing order. Like this. Secure the end. In the same way I have created some more loops in little bit smaller size like this. So I will connect all the loops with each other from decrease to increase size and again increase to decrease. Now wrapping this whole bunch using white color strip. So upper wing is ready. In the same way I have created lower wing using small size loops. So I have already connected one side wings with our angel. Now I will connect the other side wings. Hold it for some time. So this is added. It looks very beautiful, isn't it? In the center I have added this leaf shape which I have created using 2 strips. the cute angel is ready. I have also created this heart using red color strip. I have just added 2 teardrop shapes with each other to create this heart. Now I am adding the heart between angel's hands. So this is completely dry. It's so gorgeous, isn't it? In the same way, I have created one more angel in pink and white combination using the same procedure. So you can create any color combination of your choice. I have just added one magic stick on her hand. So the cute angels are done. I'm sure you will try this very soon. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.